Hey everyone, I'm from Regrob.com, India's leading tech-enabled real estate brokerage firm, and today we are visiting at Swastic Fern project. It is a residential development located at Ballygunge Kolkata. This project provides the residential, commercial and office space. So here, as you can see, this way leads to Raj Bihari main road. Here we have the main gate of the project. This project is ready to move in and consists of a single tower having 4 floors and total 7 residential units. The project offers skillfully designed 2 and 3 BHK apartments. This is the out gate. This is the covered area for the car parking. The project is well equipped with all the modern amenities to facilitate the needs of the residents. Some of the facilities provided in this project are freehold land, aesthetically designed entrance and lobby, personalized mailbox, provisions for cable and dish TV, housing loan facility, etc. So thank you friends for watching this video. For more real estate updates, kindly subscribe to our channel, and for booking, please call us at the given number. Thank you.